Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Now, this is Sultan Ali and I'm gonna teach you about Adobe Illustrator. Now, go to the AI file, click on the AI file, program is opening. After opening, click on the file and then new. Afterward, OK. And now, go to the pen tool. After clicking pen tool, click on the artboard and draw like this. Afterward, click like this. And now go to the move tool, click on the add word, then select on the path. After selecting on the path, now go to the stroke. You can scroll to and then OK. After select the path, then Control C or Command Control F. Then right click on the path. Afterward, transform. After that, click on the reflect. Then preview and OK. And next, select on the both path, close the color plate, and now select a one path, right arrows on the keyboard, press sometimes, click on the artboard. You should maintain on the path with the view closing the both path and select this anchor. After that, go to the anchor point tool, I think join tool, and drag on this point, then go to the move tool and select this path. After selecting this path, you can press Alt and Shift with a view to smalling. Then go to the stroke and now you have to reduce 1. OK. Then select on the path and then Ctrl C or Ctrl F, right click on the path. Afterward, transform. After that, reflect. Select on the horizontal and now OK. Press cursor key on the down and then Ctrl plus for watching this path. Select on the down path and now maintain. OK, that's enough. So you can join, select in this anchor, go to the join and drag this anchor. Similarly, in this anchor, and then OK. Now select on the path, go to the color. You have to choose any color, just I have choose a red color. And now select on the stroke color and I have to choose yellow color. As you wish, you can choose in any colors. After that, you can reduce and then go to the Windows and open up brush. This object drag in the brush plate. After that, click on the pattern brush and then OK. Afterward, select auto centered. Clicking on the auto centered and then OK. Then you can go to in the brush plate and then OK. Okay, that's ready our brush. So you can apply in any object. I would like to show. Select on the ellipse tool and now Alt plus C with the view to making a circle, and then go to the color, close the color, I think fill color, and then click on the move tool and select on these brush. And now click this brush, select on this brush, click 0.5. Wow, this amazing. Thanks for guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments. Bye bye.